What if One Dropdown in Excel could instantly pull numbers from any worksheet, without rewriting formulas every time? Let me show you a clean, professional trick using a sales dashboard. Okay, let's dive in. Imagine you're tracking regional sales. Each region has its own worksheet. Each sheet stores totals for sales, budget, and variance. Instead of checking each sheet manually, we'll control everything from one dropdown. First, I created a small list of all region names on a helper sheet. Now, click the cell where you want the dropdown. Go to Data, then Data Validation. Choose List. In the source, select the range with the region names. And click OK. Now I can switch regions instantly, clean and simple. Let's understand how Excel normally references a cell on another worksheet. Type equals, and click the cell you want to reference on another sheet. A standard reference looks like this. Hit Enter. This works because Excel clearly understands two things. East is an actual worksheet name, and B6 is a real cell on that worksheet. So Excel can go straight to that location and return the value. Now here's the challenge. Our region name isn't typed directly into the formula, it's coming from a dropdown. Even though cell B1 displays East, Excel treats that value as plain text, not as a worksheet reference. This is where the indirect function becomes extremely powerful. It tells Excel, use this text as if it were a real cell reference. Then we select B1, which contains the selected region name. Make it absolute by pressing F4. Next, we join it with an exclamation mark and the target cell B6. We put the exclamation mark and cell reference in quotes. Because we're building a sheet reference as text. Indirect converts the text into a real Excel reference. Press Enter. Now watch this. When I change the dropdown from East to South, Excel instantly pulls the total from the correct worksheet. If your sheet name is spaces, like West Coast. Excel requires apostrophes. So we simply include those apostrophes as text inside the formula. Once that's done, press Enter. Drag the formula to the right. Change the cell reference B6 to C6 and D6. Now every region works perfectly. Now let's take it one step further. Inside each region sheet, I have departments like Marketing, Operations, IT, and HR. I want to pull numbers for a specific department, let's say Marketing, based on the region selected in the dropdown. Instead of using VLOOKUP, we'll use XLOOKUP, which is more flexible, easier to read, and beginner-friendly. Start by typing equals XLOOKUP. Select the lookup value, the department you want to find. For example, A7. Next look up array, the range of department names on the selected sheet. Press F4 to make the reference absolute so it doesn't change when you copy the formula. Then return array, the range of values you want to return. Press F4 again to lock it, and close the formula. Press Enter. At this point, Excel correctly returns the numbers for the department from the West Coast sheet. Now notice this, when I change the region in the dropdown, the value does not update. That's because the region name is still hard-coded inside the formula. To fix this, we need to link the formula to the dropdown, and we do that using the indirect function. Let's update the formula step by step. First, after the lookup value, type indirect. Inside indirect, start with quotation marks and an apostrophe. This handles sheet names that contain spaces. Next, type an ampersand to join pieces together. Now replace West Coast with the drop-down cell, B1. And make it absolute by pressing F4. After that, add another ampersand, then quotation marks again to finish the sheet reference. Now move to the return array. Type indirect again, because we also want this range to change with the drop-down. Inside indirect, Quotation marks. Add an ampersand. Replace the hard-coded region name with B1, lock the reference. Add another ampersand, quotation marks, and close the range. The full formula looks like this. Press Enter. Now when I change the drop-down, Excel instantly pulls the correct numbers from the selected region. No manual edits, no extra formulas. This is exactly how you build dynamic, professional Excel dashboards. If this Excel trick saves you time, hit like, share, and subscribe for more real-world Excel tips, and I'll see you in the next video.